school materials. Tomorrow we shall go out to buy you school materials. You must all wake up early, Mother said. The next morning, Pina, Mario, and Lorna woke up early. They went to the bookstore with their mother. This store is very big. It's full of school materials, Mario said. Pina bought notebooks, bond papers, and ball pens. Mario bought a box of crayons, a bottle of paste, and a pencil.